नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I am Dr. Bharat Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Pathology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today's topic is heart failure, part first. Definition: heart failure is defined as the pathophysiologic state in which impaired cardiac function is unable to maintain an adequate circulation for the metabolic needs of the tissue of the body. It may be acute or chronic. The term congestive heart failure is used for the chronic form of heart failure, in which the patient has evidence of congestion of peripheral circulation and of lungs. Etiology: first is intrinsic pump failure. The most common and most important cause of heart failure is weakening of the ventricular muscle due to disease, so that the heart fails to act as an efficient pump. These diseases may be ischemic heart disease, myocarditis, cardiomyopathies, metabolic disorders of the rhythm. Example is arterial atrial fibrillation and flutter. Second is increased workload on the heart. Increased mechanical load on the heart results in increased myocardial demand, resulting in myocardial failure. Increased pressure load, that is systemic and pulmonary arterial hypertension. Valvular disease, examples are mitral stenosis, aortic stenosis, pulmonary stenosis, or chronic lung disease. Increased volume load may be occur due to valvular insufficiency, severe anemia, thyrotoxicosis, arteriovenous shunts, and hypoxic due to lung disease. Third is impaired filling of cardiac chambers. Decreased cardiac output and cardiac failure may result from extra cardiac cause or defect in filling of the heart. That may be cardiac tamponade, example hemopericardium or hydropericardium, or constrictive pericarditis. Types of heart failure. Heart failure may be acute or chronic, right-sided or left-sided, and forward or backward failure. Now, first is acute and chronic heart failure. Depending upon whether the heart failure develops rapidly or slowly, it may be acute or chronic. Acute heart failure: sudden and rapid development of heart failure occurs in the following condition. First is larger myocardial infarction, valve rupture, cardiac tamponade, massive pulmonary embolism, acute viral myocarditis, and acute bacterial toxemia. Chronic heart failure. More often, heart failure develops slowly as observed in the following states. First is myocardial ischemia from atherosclerotic coronary artery disease, multivalvular heart disease, systemic atrial hypertension, chronic lung disease resulting in hypoxia and pulmonary arterial hypertension, pro- progression of acute into chronic failure. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you all enjoyed this session. If you have any comments, please mention it in comment box. Thank you.